Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan, pila ru ban chukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Tnat Textiles jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya rengkat ka jingat rilang bat ka National Institute of Fashion Technology jong ka Ministry of Textiles ka Sarkar India ha ka nyauterik unailar arhajar arpulai kala rakhi ya ka National Handloom Day arhajar arpulai ha NIFT Shillong Campus Sauli ha ka bau Menteri ka Tnat Textile jong ka Sarkar Jilla ba Polingdo ula longkum ukongsan kat bau MLA jong ka Nongpo constituency uba Miral Bonds ula longkum usembut kongsan. Hakani skila samru ya ka pehchan card and yan hapo ka income generation program shaki bala shajit kirpang bat kumju ru la sam yaki khusnam shiki rioshimen bat shaki cooperative society jong ka jilla ka khusnam na ka banta ka best cooperative society la Aisha ka Mukhab handloom and handicraft cooperative society na West Jante district yaka khusnam best handloom entrepreneur la Aisha ka MS Nangkwa D1 na Ribhoy district yaka khusnam successful independent weaver la Aisha ka IV Lorna Armarang na West Garo Hills district yaka khusnam efficient weaver of departmental center la Aisha ka Manju Rabha na East Khasi Hills district katba yaka khusnam na ka banta ka longest serving weaver la Aisha ka Menri A Sangma na West Garo Hills district. Hadin kani ukongsan bat ki kendram ki lendan ki la pelat pat baru ya ka coffee table book on Meghalaya Sil ya ka bala aikerteng woven narratives bat hakajuk kapor la pelat pat baru ya ka textile map jangka jilla Meghalaya bala shna Pynwandur daki Jaiñ baju penmi bha daki district bapher jangka jilla Meghalaya.
This is Nift. It caters to the entire northeast. Very. We are from the. From a Dilma. From North Carolina. The production is quite substantial. And these are. High quality. Yes. This is from Nongpendeng. Nongpendeng, Nongstang. Cotton name? Ini flower. Kini patterns lagi orang contemporary kan.
Kenyar lah gitu.
Kenyar. Kini bre. Ini Pak James is a entrepreneur on his own. One of the most possessive. He even exports to Europe and to Ethiopia.
Jadi dia sebenarnya itu mau bisa saya usung buat sebenarnya dia mau bisa tinggal apa tanya ini boleh kita ngira import solusi banggas teman dulu nanti dia tanya tanya di bisa ini di nanti siswa
Ini tawon dari ini. Ini exported to Europe.
pas apa ya
Udah lama sih ya.
ini konten di dalam teman kita
Accessories.
ini konten di dalam tanya konten tapi dia tak sampel sangat bisa juga jadi web di pattern
Easily visit by the minute.
sound
Then one upstairs.
Kesini belum. Ya.
Ini Shibai Jonas itu. So the location is along the on the way on.
Iya, ini.
Right. You need to brand into the button. Yeah. Those are the piece of it, the spoon, and India from set to trade. These are the department. Now it's contemporary. Aiming for that's the vision.
Ini. Perang.
oh honest
It's a very honest product.
Oh,
konten honest
Honest.
Yes, Mishti.
Waken. Ini apa sih lo?
From 7 types of fibers, created in a production of these students.
Ini gila di national fibers. Three gini kan?
Dong ni gitu le
Beauty sunflower.
Ini.
And this is the pineapple.
Pineapple.
Huh.
Oh, pineapple fiber.
Appeal.
Ini very good in national line. Ini ada for a long time. Unit juga kita nanti aja untuk merah mau cafe. This opposite.
Department of Textiles, Government of Meghalaya, in association with the National Institute of Fashion Technology, Shillong, Minister. We have facilities for them, for the parents, for the students. A round of applause, everyone. I request all of them to come forward.
And a cash prize from please. Seminar.
Thank you, sirs and ma'am. Thank you and congratulations to all of you. Houses promoting Green India, natural dyes, and also the various government initiatives to promote. One more time, a round of applause.
The initiative that has been taken by the state government, initiative taken by the central government through the Ministry of Textile for their continuous support to uplift the weavers within the state who are representing different culture, identity of our state. We cannot deny the fact that we have been blessed as a state. We have a beautiful constitution that has been carved out, where we have the 6th schedule to empower the local, the traditional heads. We have the authority upon the soil, the customary law that we have, and many issues with regard protection for the indigenous people of our state. And we are happy to see that as a state, we have a 3 autonomous district council, the Jaiñ Hills Autonomous District Council, the Khas Hill Autonomous District Council, and the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And as a citizen of this state, where most of the part of our state is under scheduled land, and this it goes hand in hand at the same time to promote the culture, identity through different Rangba Shnong, the Nokoma, the Hima district council that we have. And I'm not wrong to say that we are here today to showcase the different unique habit that we have. I came from a village where almost every household they know how to do weaving. I belong to the village from Diwan, Umden, on the right Nukru, which has been recognized as an airy village on the 8th of February 2021. Thank you so much to the government of Meghalaya, to the Honorable Chief Minister, to all the officials of the Textile Department, Pak Harkongor, you are the one who have put effort, or as an architect, to lead from the front. We cannot deny the fact we have one of the officer, Pak Dindo, who is here. He is the former director of Textile, who have been at the ground to handhold the weavers to be like this today where they are. And as a legislator from Nongpo constituency, where most of the weavers, they come from that area, I cannot forget the fact, the journey that all of us we have been through. In 2018, when I became Lemele for the first time, when I try to raise this issue, reaching out to the department, reaching out to the minister, to the official, for a special recognition of Pynwandur as an airy village. That time, it is like Action Kasi omong berperkara cloud, shouting in the wilderness. It will come true or not, we don't know that time. But now it is a fact that that particular area has been recognized officially through a notification as an airy village. And I'm happy to learn that the Meghalaya Handloom Association, they are trying the level best for GI tag, which is very important. I wish all the best for the association, Mr. Precious, and the textile department, that we will get a GI tag, so that ownership, so that nobody can take away that unique culture that we have. I always said to the weavers in our locality, be it in Biej or in Jaiñ or in Garo Hills also, that whatever you have in your mind, that unique culture, the unique identity, the skill, the technique that we have, we should know how to keep it properly. Unless the world will know that airy has come from that particular area. As Ukraine ni nong Thaiñ ni ki jung ni ha por ko la den na ka banta ba ko no bangin tin kai ye ki ni sat ki phong ko ka pang ko ni kan ma ki judon ni ki bawan na ki wi ki jaka ki la bande ki ba ki research scholars ki la bande scientists ki la bande ki wat tik tik Abgiwan ng sinong gitu ni, hagi nong Thaiñ gitu beli, kirim video, gitu filek nong teknik yang teknik ku batai lo, parong batai lo, natong satong. Dia kata ujung long try, dia kata pongsang, dia kata nah pertengkai dia kata, mungkin penek bersa ya. Dan mar kata kumki nong Thaiñ gitu, orang negasi, ni sukumen sibul, ba kejing semu jong ki long kemi gitu kejing. Iso kemen baya ka award Madagasi Cooperative Society na po mukha nagan po Garo Hills na po Biej Pundon Buram nang gitu bala yo ya gitu ki usai nang gitu bala pediang ya gitu ka pecan ka yo na po ministry kan lo ngajing arab na gamta jong silang nomor tagi skam bagai negasi ka bangidon ban kenmau ya ka National Handloom Day. Jadi segi ke berkepang nak kemtaban nang ai bo su ye kinong Thaiñ ye ki jung nang ni.
happy to learn that some of you are representative of the third generation of weavers in your villages. And today at the exhibition, while going to the various stalls, I encountered a particular gentleman, I think about James, who has gone international, whose products have reached Europe. And what else? The sky is the limit for us. There are more success stories that we can should script, and I certainly take it upon myself to lead from the front and ensure that this map is not only to be displayed here at Nift, this map will become a global map one day. It will be recognized by the rest of the world. We have just released a coffee table book, and with the other departments that I'm in charge of, tourism, arts and culture, social welfare, we will also take this coffee table book to the rest of the world, starting with our own tourism department here in Meghalaya. We must send a strong signal to the rest of the world that Meghalaya and its people are not so good at aping, but that we are excellent at giving, at showing to the rest of the world. Karanda kentiin kasih ke boong nai tam karong yapang dan kamu karong yaai. We need not only borrow, but we also have to give back to the rest of the world. Show them what talents we have. Show them what creativity we have. Show them the skills, the rich tapestry that is Meghalaya. And I'm sure that with the concept, a couple of months back, I landed at Rajkot and visited the home where Gandhiji was born. And right at the center of the house was the charkha, which has become a national symbol of our desire to be self-dependent. And today, we have our very own charkha, which is the spinning wheel that we can only use this wheel in order to march ahead. Look at the craft. Look at how we've come from where we were. Not even 200 years. In 1841, the Welsh had landed in Sora. 1841, the 22nd of June, 1841. It will be 200 years in 2041. In less than 200 years, this state has produced persons who contested for the presidential election. We have produced somebody who headed the Election Commission of India. We have produced somebody who occupied the post of chairperson of the UPSC. We have produced luminaries that are of international caliber. What is it that is stopping us? Nothing can stop us now.